Hey everyone, so right here I just got a quick little unboxing video. This is the M12 Fuel Extended Reach 1/4 inch Ratchet. Model number 2559-20. Has about, says on the box, 40 foot-pounds of torque. I'm not going to test that. And RPM is from 0 to 250. As it says right here on the box. Weight 2.1 pounds. I really don't care about the specs that much. I just care about the functionality of the tool, being able to get into tighter spaces. So let's go ahead and cut this guy open. Just got this in today. I was really excited. Goodness. But hit the tape, I thought. There it goes. Okay, I didn't open it all the way. Hey! When you cut the tape correctly, the box opens nice. Alright. So, yeah, there's just some packaging in the box. Nothing too crazy. Again, just, there's the box for you. I just got the bare tool because I have enough batteries. That goes off to the side. Tool, here's your instructions. Ooh, nice. I'm going to cover up that because I like to enter into these silly little contests. Maybe one day I'll win a t-shirt or the whole grand prize of all the tools. Get your instructions. Shows the 1/4 inch extended and the 3/8 extended reach. Their little pamphlet of all of their tools that they make, M18 and M12. I got a bunch of those that can get thrown over there. So let's look at this tool. Neat. So I purchased this because I will be doing a timing belt job on a Honda Odyssey that I'll go ahead and film for you guys. It's a 2011 Honda Odyssey. And essentially, hold on. This is a fully charged 3 amp hour battery. Fuel gauge is right here on the tool. Has a lock switch there. And then unlocking. Now, I also own the... Whoa, that thing is a lot heavier. Wow. I also own the 3/8 Ratchet. This that's also a fuel. So let's go ahead and set these side to side. I think that's about right. So let's get our trusty tape measure out. I'll measure it from the head to the shallow part of the battery holster, and the height is exactly 10 inches. And then this guy is 12 and a half inches roughly. So about 2.5 inch extra reach, plus, not to mention the head difference that you get. So the width of the head on the 1/4 inch is significantly slimmer than on the 3/8. Even on the extended reach 3/8, they have this larger head profile. On the short 1/4 inch, the head just kind of comes up, so you still have this like neck portion here that is what I'm trying to get away from. Every time I stick the 3/8 ratchet into a tight area, either the head's too big or it hits up against this, and I can't get it into where I need to get it into. But we can see that the we can see. Let's just do this then one at a time. You can see that, or hold on, I'm sorry. That the head width is about 1.5 inches. And then the head width on 1/4 inch is about 1 1/4 inches. So you're saving a 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch in total diameter. I mean, that's still, that, you know, when you work on cars, you work in tight spaces. Sometimes, you know, 1/4 inch is all you need, fellas. That's it. That's just what makes it. Yeah, I mean, my 3/8, I use it quite often. I like it. It gets used, but I don't think I use it as much as someone who's an actual mechanic. Everyone always complains about like the head being it's you know, so unbiased. The head, it's so front heavy on it. The thing that I think that everyone forgets about is that you're gonna put this onto a bolt, and then the bolt supports the head, and then you're just gonna feed it up or feed it down. The only time I can see this being fatiguing or annoying is when you're underneath, and then you actually have the weight of the ratchet that you have to hold up against the fastener head. But on top or on the side, even on the side, it's gonna hang off of the fastener, and you're not gonna have to deal with that weight, the weight of the head. I will say this is really nice though, in comparison. If you just want to talk about biasing, the 1/4 inch, my goodness, this is light. This is very light in comparison to the 3/8. The weight is biased a lot nicer on this 1/4 inch. I don't know if it's just because you have less mass at the head. It's got to be, but this actually is a much more balanced ratchet, in my opinion, than the 3/8 is. I'm gonna be using this on a 2011 Honda Odyssey timing belt job, and I do all my own maintenance on my cars and family's cars. And rather than me helping out somebody in my family, and, you know, rather than my family paying a dealership to do the work, they would much rather have their brother do the work, or their son, and they know it was done right. And you know, for me, if it's an opportunity for me to buy a tool, and, you know, they're going to end up paying me for it, essentially with, you know, labor costs of the job, then that it works out for me. You know, I get to help my family out and supply myself with tools to make my jobs go quicker. Another thing too is, I mean, I buy these types of tools because I have a life. I have no problem working on cars all the time, but you don't want to do that all the time sometimes, and, you know, you would rather spend your time doing something else. So we all understand wanting to save money, and time is money. So if you can save yourself time on the job and you can get back to doing what you wanted to do, then it's a benefit. And there's guys out there that have no problem spending all day wrenching, but I got other stuff to do, so I'm fine with paying some extra money for a nice tool or a specialty tool. I would think that this is, in my opinion, I think these are more niche tools than anything. I think an electric ratchet, for me, is a little bit of a niche tool, but it's a nice tool to have nonetheless. Anyways, thanks for this quick little unboxing, and take care, everyone. Bye.